Right then guys, so what we're doing now, we just come to Greg's. I've come here for a special food which I'm going to try today from Greg's. Now, it's the first time these guys are serving this special food. So what we're going to do is walk inside now Greg's and we'll take it further from here. Yeah guys, we're just walking in through as you enter Greg's new fish finger sandwich. Wow. So here we are guys, we've just placed our order. We're going to go for a fish fingers sandwich today. Now I'm really excited for this. This is something new which I'm going to try today. And I actually didn't know, Greg's do fish finger sandwich until I seen some a video about it. And I was super surprised when I heard about this. Here we are guys, fish finger sandwich. This is what you got Pudsey Bear, who used to see as well. Right, your cakes and biscuits as well. You got your donuts here as well. And here's all your hot food. We've got some more sandwiches there in the fridge as well. So here we are guys, we've got our fish fingers sandwich here. So here we are guys, look at this fish fingers sandwich. So if you open the bun, you get 3 fish fingers inside. Along with that you get all your lettuce and you use mayonnaise as well. So let's have a look at the fish finger. Look at this, nice thick fish finger. Get this up and look at that, wow. Look at the hotness coming out of that. It's a thick fish inside, it's nice. Right, let's give this a taste. Let's give this a taste. First of all, the batter is soft and the fish is fresh. It's thick as well, which is really nice. Wow, that was really nice. Very nice, really nice. Let's try it with the bun. First of all, it's cold. It's not a warm bread. Right, we'll give this a try with the fish fingers. The bread is soft as well. Salad fresh as well. So far guys, I've really enjoyed this so far. I personally like it. But I would recommend you guys obviously to come and try fish finger sandwich in Greg's. Absolutely liked it. But you guys should try it as well. They sell it in Greg's and here we are. So Greg's have recently got new orders in now. They've got new food in stock now, so you can come and try it. Over. So guys, just to advise you as well, so you got the options of either to get a fish finger sandwich or you can choose a fish finger wrap. So that's completely up to yourselves which one you would prefer. Fish finger sandwich cost me £4.60. So that was really enjoyable. So you've got plenty of seating areas outside as well. So you've got plenty of seating areas here outside. And this Greg's got a drive-through as well guys. So if you don't want to go inside Greg's, you can just go to your drive-through. So let's finish up the vlog here everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care and I'll see you all for the next one.